Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And I've reviewed over 3,000 varieties, and here's something that's not exactly an instant noodle, but it's very highly influenced by instant noodles. And I think you're going to like it. Look. Indomie potato chips. Chitato. What do you think of that, and what will they think of next? I don't know what to tell you. I think it's pretty groovy. So yeah. And I'm going to actually do these up pretty rad. I've got to taste them first, though. Unadulterated. So let's crack into these. I found these at Super 88 Market up in Vancouver, British Columbia a couple weeks ago. Thank you for carrying them. I've been looking for these forever. Yeah. Mmm. Long story short, they taste like Indomie. Like, they do. A little bit spicier than Indomie usually seems to taste, but they taste like Indomie. Which is groovy, because, I mean, now you can, like, go all over the place and do whatever you do and have some Indomie. And we're going to use this little plate. I got this, like, I want to say like 4 years ago when I did a meet in the manufacturer with Mommy's Chef. They make some awesome stuff. They're out of Malaysia. Hello to you. Hopefully you have new varieties I can try. So there's a whole pile of chips. Now I'm just kind of guessing here. That just like here, you might have this maybe with a dip, but more often than not, a little snack bag like this is just going to be like, you're going to throw them fingers in there, grab some out, and eat them, right? Well, I'm going to go a little crazy on these. So let's go with, yeah, a couple shrimp. I have some spring onion. Actually, I think I want the shrimp more on top, so let's put you guys to the side for now. And we need some fried onion. It's something very, very often seen in mee goreng, of course, especially Indomie. Boy, I need more of this. There's some crispy onion. Here's a little more regular spring onion. Now, we'll put these shrimp on top. Look at that. Isn't that nice? And we're going to use one of my favorite sauces. Now, this is called Dua Balibas. 2 ducks. Alright. Give it a shake. I got this stuff at Warung Jajanan. My friend Jonathan has a Indonesian market on Highway 99 in Edmonds. And yeah. So it's right north of 99 Ranch Market. It's on the same side. It's in a little shopping center kind of thing. It's literally on the next block. So if you are in that area, I totally beg you to go there because he's a nice guy and you'll love it. All right, another Indonesian thing I'm going to throw on here is this. Bon cabe. So what we're doing here is we're adding a lot of heat and a lot of other stuff. So some bon cabe. And finally, just for a little bit of, let's make it look a little interesting. There's some sesame seed and then a final sprinkle of spring onion. So there you go. I felt like I needed to do something to this to make it kind of look a little cooler. And that was my thought. If you're in Indonesia and you make these often, or you enjoy these, let me know if this is like totally ridiculous or something you think you would eat. So anyways, yeah, that was a really quick one because, I mean, hey, I didn't have to cook it, right? So this has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and possibly check out these videos. These videos here are beautiful, wonderful, solid 24 karat gold videos that will enamor you and bring you to a better place in the world and just make you so happy to be alive. And just for the love of God, watch them and subscribe to my channel. Come on. All right, have a good one. Bye.